Here is an update video on that cheater wrench. This tire on this side of this is the other side of the trailer. I did the brakes on the other side, but it was parked across the street in the gravel, and with all the rain stuff I can't work on it in the gravel, so I moved a bunch of junk around, parked the trailer over here in my driveway on the concrete, and can't stay here long because it's too close to the street. But I got 4 of these broke loose with the cheater wrench. The impact wouldn't touch any of them, and I got 4 more left, and the cheater wrench broke on one of these. I'm not sure which one. I think it was probably this one. I was probably going in a circle like that. I bought a new cheater wrench at a store. Have not taken it out of the box yet. This is not cheater wrench brand. This one is Clutch from Northern Tools, so we'll do an unboxing with that. I was disappointed when this thing broke. I kind of opened it up a little bit, took a peek inside, and I was disappointed with the quality of the planetary gears that they had in there. I did not take enough gears out to get all the way to the bottom where it broke at. Just the first set of planetaries that I took out was enough to tell me that I pretty much knew what happened. And have not heard back from the manufacturer yet, or the website. There's a website on this cheater wrench, cheaterwrench.com, I think it is. Yeah, there it is right there. Have not heard back from them yet. I've been leaving text or phone messages and email, and I'm still waiting. So I'll let you know how that goes. Today I will be putting this one on there. This is a store. I was able to walk into a store and get this, and it's about the same ratings, if we can see it on there. There we go. 61 to 64 gear ratio. Claims to do 3,500 foot-pounds. I kind of doubt we have that much on those nuts, but if the wheels rusted in between the wheels, that would swell up and put pressure on those studs. That could be part of the problem. Excuse me. But I am going to put this on, and I already told the manager of the store what I plan on doing. I said I want to just crank this thing and see if this can hold up, or is it going to break. And if it breaks, I want to know, can I bring it back? And he says I can bring it back. He says he sold several of them to tire and truck shops, and they have not had any complaints with it. So I will put this to the test, and if it breaks the nuts loose, great. If it doesn't break the nuts loose, then, and it breaks, well, I've got other ways of getting the nuts off, and I will go on ahead and get them off, because I need to get this trailer done and get it back to work. Well, this tool is smaller. Let's see here. Looks like it's 1" on both ends. I guess this one is too. There's the extension. It's not solid. This one isn't either. That's a hollow pipe, but it's a shorter extension, which is okay. I can tell by the weight that this is a hollow pipe too with these two ends. But all you need this for, oh, the welding is not good on it. Well, it's good on one side. That's probably enough. This side here, the welding is not good, but not a problem. I can weld pretty much anything around here. I would not fault the tool over that, because all you got to do is break it loose with the gear, and then you just put your handle on this here, and then you spin it off at a 1-to-1 ratio instead of a 1-to-64 ratio. So let's find out what size sockets we got. These bags are 41. I don't need the 41 yet. I need a 33 on this particular wheel. That's the 38. There's my 33. I'm going to take this outside, put it on, and see. We're going to break something. We're either going to break the nut loose or break the tool. If we break the nut loose, here's your adapter for your bud wheels, the inner studs. If we break the nut loose, then this one here that I paid a lot more for, well, that's why we're doing this review. This one here that I paid, I forgot, I think it's 70 something for this one. Take the camera outside. I'm going to show this will not, or yesterday it wouldn't. Oil has been soaking on it. I'm pretty sure it's still not going to come off. And this wrench is, it's the 38. I can't do it with the 38 socket. Hang on. Okay, the battery, full charge, power setting, all the way up to number 4. I don't know if we're seeing that in the video or not, but it's on number 4. On reverse. Something might come off since he's been soaking in oil for a day. Okay, the oil did help on 2 of them. Of course, that will not help you when you're stuck out on the road and need to change a tire. You don't want to press that against a stud without a nut on it. Okay, 2 of them came off. Let's see what this one does. Something broke. What was it? Well, it's turning. It was the nut that broke loose. those on there because the tire's not jacked up yet. But that's our results. This tool that I paid half the price for at Northern Tool seems to be holding up better than the one I paid double for, and is now selling. I'm out of breath. I paid around $70 something for this one, and the one I bought at Amazon was $150, and it's now selling for $250, and I can't, as of yet, get in contact with the manufacturer for the warranty. I can show just briefly what gave away and broke inside this tool. I did open it up and look inside to find out what broke, and it was the bottom planetary that broke. This piece that I'm pointing at with my finger is supposed to be welded onto it. And I got another video that I'm going to put up where I went through piece by piece what was going on with this thing on the inside and inside the new one as well, to see how they compare. Yes, yeah, that's the weld right there that broke away, and of course the gear, planetary gear carrier here shattered. But I got another video that I'm going to do on this, but I did get a hold of the customer service, and we had a nice conversation, and they want me to send this back, and they want to send me another one. And per our discussion, I think they're going to try to get the quality of this upgraded a little bit, because they've had a few of them break, but not very many. It's like a pretty small percentage. But then people probably didn't torture it the way I did. Well, okay, that is what we have to look forward to. We'll find out how that turns out, and that'll be another update later on. It might be a couple weeks or so, or who knows when. We'll find out when I hear back from them after I got to put this back together and then send it to them. All right, thanks for watching.